Hey guys, just about to head up the mountain on last bear hunt of the spring, and just wanted to show you how to install and use our hydro sleeve. Super easy process, so let's run through it. The first thing we're going to want to do is attach this into the back of the bag on our tri-slide, so we'll do that now. If you haven't used the tri-slide, this just comes up one side, and then you're going to work it back through the back of the tri-slide, pull it tight, and now it's secured. And then we'll repeat on the left side. There's two of them that holds the hydro sleeve in place. I'm going to be using a hose with my bladder today, so I've just found that it's easiest to run it through the little port here on the back of this solo bag and run it around, and then I'll grab my bladder here and attach it. And then once we have that lined up, I'm going to go ahead and just drop it down into the hydro sleeve. So it's in there now, and some bladders are going to come with a hook. This one just has this little cross beam, which directly won't hook up to the sewn-in loop on the hydro sleeve. So you can use a clip, different things. I just grabbed some paracord, and I'll just quickly tie this up. If your pack's really full like mine is, this isn't as big of a deal because the compression will hold it in place if you pack it right. But if you're running a pack that's not going to be super full of stuff, sometimes your bladder will slouch down a little bit, so it's kind of nice to tie it up. Then we just shut this up, and that's it. That's using the hydro sleeve. If you guys have any questions, give us a call. We're happy to help.